Alright guys, and run this here for Kevin. He's got the Brian Winters Legends Bucks bobblehead. 15 spots at 3. And we got our list here. We're going to go live 11:50 a.m. We're going to type live in the Facebook post. We are live 11:50 a.m. 11:50 a.m. We are going to grab our list. 15 spots. $15 items. We are going to drop that into random. We have 15 entries with Andy on the bottom and Jake on top. We are going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 9. We're going 9 times. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 times. Dice shows a 9. Next click wins. Good luck. And number 9, congrats to Joe. Spot number 6. You are the winner. Get in touch with Kevin and get your bobblehead. We are done 11:51 a.m. We will go back to the post. We will type done. Done. 11:51 a.m. 11:51 a.m. There is our timestamp, and here is our verification code.